This is pyrite. You can see the somewhat cubic shape, but here's a pure sample of pyrite, and it's pure cubic structure. That's why it's also known as fool's gold, because of its golden color. Calcite, which has parallelogram shape to it, has the property of also being what we call birefringent or double refraction, because anything, if you look at it through, you can see that it forms two images as we rotate it around. This is a unique property of calcite, clear luster to it. Two other samples, we have Galenite, which is relatively soft, and quartz, which is very hard. So Galenite, which you can actually break with your fingernail, has a relatively soft. Quartz is very hard, has a hexagonal cubic structure to it. Now we compare two other samples, Sulfur and Galena, as far as specific gravity. Sulfur is classic yellow shape. Galena is actually primarily made out of lead. You could probably guess for yourself which one has a higher specific gravity or higher density to it. This is halite, which has a cubic structure to it, pink in shape. Halite is actually just common table salt. Quartz has a classic six-sided shape to it, hexagonal shape to it. The next sample is apophyllite, which has again, similar to calcite, has a prismatic shape to it, has a clear luster to it. Sample of tourmaline. Tourmaline also has a hexagonal shape to it. Now if we look at colors of samples, we have obviously sulfur, pyrite, which we have already looked at. It's a unique gold color. We have malachite, which is distinct green color. And then we have rhodonite, distinctly pink color to it. Hardness of samples on a scale from 1 to 9, actually 10 if you include diamond. The softest is talc, which has 1. 2 is gypsum, again relatively soft. 3 is calcite, sample calcite here. 4 is fluorite. 5 is apophyllite. Number 6 is feldspar. These are just examples of that. Number 7 is quartz, an example of quartz. Number 8 is topaz, distinct green color to it. And finally, a harder sample other than diamond is corundum. So that's a hardness scale from 1 to 9.